bars here around McDonald's.
Lucky massage. Have 2 ladies today for massage.
Over here.
Yeah. It's opposite Hindu.
I like this place.
They have Hindu.
Superstar.
Yeah, I hope you have customer today. No. Quiet, yes. It's a little bit slowly in Lamai. I know. But have tourists, but they stay on the beach.
Lamai Beach. We go
Have
to the
but they not
biggest
go out,
bar
they stay
over in
hotel
Lamai Beach.
on the beach and go eat restaurant.
We call it Dog Shit Alley.
Yeah.
The real name is
The so nice
Samui
is
Moon something. Yeah. A lot of bars
Okay,
in the night.
we go. See you.
Now empty. It's early in the morning. Very early. I just come from the barber shop.
Yeah, they want me to promote Lucky Massage in Lamai Beach.
Yeah, of course I do.
They are my friends.
Let's go.
Now we go home to my bar. I have a bar here. Alma Bar. Yes, it's a very low season now, slowly here. But winter time more people can go here. Here you go.
Now I come to my bar
beach.
here.
And have taxi. But I live here. I almost never go to the beach. I don't know why.
Here in
I think
Thailand.
it's too hot. Yeah, my bar.
Alma Bar.
A lot of tourists go to the beach. Come here. I have 1 staff. To the beach. There you have the beach.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's super
Lamai
hot.
beach. Oi! Hot too much. Yeah. My bar. I have to drink water more.
Hello!
A lot of tourists now, but yeah, see a little bit tired. Only stay on the beach and
How
in
are
the
you?
hotel. They not go out to the bars. Little bit, but oh, somebody.
Good. I come home and I go make movie down Lamai.
Yes, this is my
here.
bar. A very beautiful painting. Building. I start painting here. You see, this is all swing bar. Oh my goodness. Make cement.
Only bar in
new-
Lamai have this.
This is a good bar. I tried to rent
let's go
many
work in
times and now
computer.
somebody rent. Have swimming pool over there. Good place. Okay, let's go. Let's go look. The beach, Bamboo Beach, very popular restaurant in Lamai Beach. Yeah, you can eat breakfast, $3 American breakfast. English, I mean English, not American. English breakfast, $3. Yeah, bamboo. Hello, Sawadee-kap. Can see the beach. I hope you see something. And you can eat breakfast over there. $3 English breakfast. Very good. Bamboo. Have many restaurants along this road. But this is the popular one. Okay.